This summer at Camp Anderscock, I made a film for Nickelodeon using cutouts. It's about a man who snores. Appropriately enough, we made it at rush hour.
This is Gosling for Nickelodeon music item. What the band you know. I will leave the door.